At Image Glassworks, we understand that designing and selecting a frameless shower door that fits your needs and budget can be a stressful task. This is why we've developed a seamless step-by-step process to help you from inquiry to installation. To get things started, simply fill out the form on our website with your contact details. Our system will then automatically send you information about the process and request photos and rough dimensions of the area. Our sales team will then work on a draft estimate for you going off the requirements you sent to us. Once agreed, we then schedule a time for an estimator to meet you on site in order to take final measurements and to discuss the different glass options available. We will also go over any additional details and answer any questions you may have. After our visit, we will send you the final estimate, revised for any options you may have chosen, along with a secure payment link to leave a deposit. Once a deposit has been made, we will order your glass and hardware. Depending on hardware availability, it will normally take around 3 to 4 weeks for this stage until installation. When we have an estimated delivery date from production of your materials, we will contact you and schedule the installation. Get started today